Okay, so now we're going to talk about some examples with just numbers. So it asks us to simplify each expression using both order of operations and the distributive property. So over here we're going to use order of operations for 6 times the quantity, 3 plus 5. That's how we read the parentheses, the quantity of. So we've got 6 times the quantity, 3 plus 5. We always know order of operations tells us to do parentheses first, and then we can multiply to get 48. We can use the distributive property, which says we're going to take the outside number and multiply it by everything on the inside. So 6 times 3 plus 6 times 5. And 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 5 is 30. And when I add the two together, I get 48. So some equivalent expressions might be 6 times 8. Or 6 times 3 plus 6 times 5, or 18 plus 30. The last one, 48. So I just pulled all of those expressions from our steps in our workup here. So 6 times 8 came from here, 6 times 3 plus 6 times 5 came from over here, 18 plus 30 came from here, and then 48 was my answer for both that, came from both spots. So you'll see that we got the same answer. Let's do it again and see how we do. 2 times the quantity, 22 minus 4. Order of operations would tell me to do parentheses first. And when I do that, I get 2 times 18, which is 36. The distributive property would tell me to take 2 times every number on the inside and multiply it. So 2 times 22. Minus 2 times 4. Notice that this time I'm bringing down a subtraction sign. So up here it was a plus, so I brought a plus sign. Here it's a subtraction sign, so I'm bringing the subtraction sign down with me. That's 44 minus 8, which does in fact end up at 36 as well. So my equivalent expressions, I can take 2 times 18 as one of them. I can write down 2 times 22 minus 2 times 4. 44 minus 8 was another part of my work, another expression, because there is no equal sign that's equivalent here. And then 36 is my final answer, another equivalent expression to what was originally given to us.